doing these other multiplications, it ends up being a number that we need to get. Okay, search it. Get out of my hand! What was that? 7 o'clock, right? That's crazy because if we look at these words and it's what we've done about this too, so now they're
bits of paper, funny enough, from the Vanishing Ink Convention magazine, and you're going to see this happening. There's card, there's cash, but this is a lot better, and that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 28 pounds. That's the wrong way.
what? Okay, jigsaw. We use 2 cards, 2 red aces. We have the ace of diamonds and the ace of hearts. Go ahead and pull stop.
Stop.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Any more, any less? You good with this one?
Good.
Okay, let's have a look at what we've got. Chuck it back, right? Place the jack into the centre of the deck. Put it in the half its length sticking out. Watch 3 threes at once. But the thing is, there's one that's mixed up, right? And you can see that his picture is, so the orange is there and the blue is there, right? So it's like having your younger brother. You know he's one up there. They can change. You know he's one up there. They can change. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Wait.
Okay, take a look at the symbol. I mean, you could have named any of these or any of that, but this is the symbol we wanted, right? This is the ESP symbol you choose. Would you be amazed if I've predicted the symbol before? We're pretty cool, right? So let's check my prediction out.
Are you ready?
Right over here.
Let's see it.
Is it not the square?
So open on top.
There are arrows on it.
Second time you can just do it like this.
Two credit cards, black and a green. Which one do you want the magic to happen with?
The green one.
The green one. Can you do me a favour? Can you hold your hand out? We'll put the green card on here. If you watch this one, look, we just pulled the chip off.
Whoa.
He vanishes, look, but if we throw it, vanishes and goes under. Check your card out.
felt a key in my hand. Like, there was a key in my hand. That's incredible. That's brilliant. That's really good. That's special. That's amazing. I felt a key in my hand. Like, seriously, there was a key there. I was purposefully feeling for the key. It was them.
Hey, how about convincer.
Hey, Craig Petty here, and I'm finally bringing some quality to the Murphy's Magic socials. I know it's been waiting for a long time. So I'm here at the Magic Convention. I'm here at the Session Magic Convention in London, and I have Big Blind with me. And I'm going to go and walk over there into that bar. We're going to walk up to anybody, and I'm going to blow their mind. Hopefully going to blow their mind. You're going to see a live, unedited performance of Big Blind. I don't even know who we're going to speak to. Come with me. Come. We're going to go to somebody. These guys here, they look fun. Hello. Hey, what?
Really
Good,
good.
you want to see some magic?
Yeah.
Come on over. Here we go. So, what's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah. And what's your name? Chet. Chet. Are you magicians?
No.
So you're here, what are you here to do?
We just came around to see what's on. Yeah.
Where are you going?
St. Lucia.
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Beautiful place. Will you help me?
Yeah.
It was Hannah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give your drink to someone you trust? You hesitate. So, Hannah, I've got 3 poker chips here.
Okay.
Now, each poker chip is worth £50.
Okay.
That's £150 in total. Would you like to win £150?
Yeah.
Cool. So, do you play cards?
No.
You know cards, though. You know one
Yeah,
card from
yeah,
another.
yeah.
Right? Okay. So, I want you to think of a card, but not a joker. But don't say it out loud. Don't tell
I've
anyone.
got it,
Think
got
of a
it.
card. Yeah. So, you've got the value. You've got the suit. So, it could
Yeah.
be a club, heart, spade,
Yeah,
diamond,
yeah.
ace, suit. You've
I've
got
got
it.
it.
No one could know that card, right, Hannah? Hold your hand out flat. £150 is on this. If I get this wrong 3 times, you get 150 quid. I'll convert this to real money.
Okay.
So, I'm going to bet you £50 that I can tell you the suit of your card. Whether it's a club, a heart, a spade, or a diamond. Concentrate on that suit. All I ask is you don't lie, okay?
Okay.
It's a heart.
Yeah.
always good. Always good. Always good.
Now, I'm going to give you another 2 chances, right? So, another 50 quid. This is on the value. You know what the value is? You know what
Yeah,
it's okay,
yeah.
so concentrate on the value. Is it a queen?
No.
What was it?
7.
Really? Nobody like ever thinks it was 7. Okay. I got one last check. The last one. I have to prove to you that I knew what your card would be before you even picked it. If I cannot categorically, so that you're happy, prove to you I knew what your card was, then I give you 150. I've got to prove it to you. Is that fair? So your card was the 7 of hearts. And that was a free choice. We haven't set this up. You thought of that card. You didn't pick it. You didn't write it down. I haven't had a deck of cards. You literally just thought of it, right? 7 of hearts. And I knew you'd pick that card. And to prove it to you, you've been holding these the whole time. I never even showed you the other side of them, Hannah. But if I had have shown you the other side of them, you would realize that this one is a heart. This is an of. That.
That's mental. That's the mental. That's nuts.
That never worked before, so we got to share the moment together.
What just happened?
What?
Did they name the right one?
Yeah, 7 of hearts right there.
What?
No, you gotta remember.
Are you in on that? Are you in on it?
Yeah, that was my card. 7 cards.
You just go on holiday.
At least you know what you're going to be doing on the plane journey now. Thinking about the 7 of Hearts.
Yeah, but that's mental. How did you see that?
Yeah, you know I put it on the card. No, that's
Thanks, guys.
oh my god.
5.
Whoa!
How did you do that?
Either you're a really good actor or that's crazy.
No, he's not in on there.
Okay, third check.
Get out of my head. Well, the last one is that I knew what chip I knew what card you picked before you even picked it, because maybe somehow I was reading you or something. But if I can prove that I knew what your card was before you even picked it, that would be crazy, right? Yeah, it can't be crazy. No, but again, the thing is, I never showed you the other side of the fucking chip. Okay? If I haven't shown you the other side of the fucking chips, that's a 5, that's a laugh, and that's a 5. How the hell did that happen? How did you do that? How did you do that? Big black. Yes, it's amazing. It's crazy. How did you do that? Got my hand! Got my hand! I don't know. I wasn't. It might be better. I don't know. Give a trick of the year. My God.
And that's the best way you can prove it. That is amazing.
How did you like?
Higher, and I was at 8 of clubs, and at the last minute I said, no, I'm going to go down.
It's crazy. How did you do that? Alright, that's.
I would love to hear some feedback from you later. So if you have some thoughts that come up, just let me know. Alright. So, first of all, let me show you this. This is actually a if we do it right here for the camera, the camera free. I go like this. It sometimes looks like one time is already bent. Back to here. You now open your hand. Just take a look at that. I can only do this. I just shake. I close it. Just like that. There. Now you can keep this one as your little souvenir.
Show the fork, show the fork.
Yeah, right.
Show the final product.
This is 21. You haven't seen your card yet, right? Now think about this for a minute. This is the 22nd card.
Yep.
You could have named any card. You could have named any number. I still don't know your card. The cards weren't even touched on the table the whole time. You still haven't said your card. For the first time, what was it?
Santa Claus.
That is
What the frick is that? Oh my gosh. Wow. That's gotta be the fairest way to do it.
You thought of any card?
I know, yeah.
You thought of any number? You never even said the card. The cards are on the table the whole time.
No cutting, no passes, no shifts.
No taking the cards out of the box after you've named everything.
No
You just look through the cards.
No. I'm stumped. I'm so stumped.
Are you okay? Hey man, what is it?
8 of clubs.
Isn't that no way! No. In the 17th position, the 8 of clubs.
Very tough. Even came into view.
Yeah, I saw it. I thought it was the 16th vintage.
I freely named a card and a number. Craig picked up the deck and clearly dealt down to that number, and that card was at that number. So I'm going to go for a cigarette and a think. And
Wait,
I'll-
it's literally the cleanest any colour I've ever seen. Like, there's just nothing. Just deck on top, dead. Are you sure you haven't changed your name to David Berglas?
Well, seriously, you guys are experienced magicians. How is there any way that can be cleaner? You named any card. You named any number. The deck was unboxed from the beginning. There was no changes, no passing, no nothing. I just dealt.
It's unreal. Love it. Absolutely love it.
You see these little tape things? These are just joysticks, and it will automatically open. So you know what, if you like to shake it or something.
And you have to react like it's a good thing, actually, right?
That's to remove the glue for the opening, and also important, just blow through the body. Yeah, you.
Yeah, like it's a greater visual.
This is one of my gimmicks, so you can try it. Okay, you say
Wait.
when it rolls.
Actually, perform it for those guys because Alex has seen this before.
Ready?
It's so funny. Come on.
And then just let it go. Shake it a little bit.
So,
There it is. Okay, big. Wait, let's fix it. So, are you happy now?